What's up guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm doing that's awesome, isn't it guys? But I like Bugba. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you can see this right now, that is so we got some fireworks. I know. Wait, just hold it there. I know you may think I'm crazy. I got these fireworks for £25, but bloody rip-off in it. But you know, I have to deal with it. Yeah, there's a massive attack. That was £20 and the £5 for them. But they were meant to be £10 each, so you know. But she gave us a deal, £5 each. So we actually spent £30. So not too bad. Sorry if I haven't uploaded in like ages, guys. I'm sorry for that. And as you can see, the TNT party collection, and then it says massive attack 13 shots, which is good. And then safe distance is 8 meters. So about the low, 8 meters, and then noise level is a medium. So pretty good fireworks. And we call these, we don't call them fireworks, we call them cake. And as you can see, in total there is 13 shots in here. Perfect. You shoot it. I'll show you where the fuse is, guys. Just be wherever it is. Guys, just bear with me. I need to try and use it if someone's taking it off, and that's a bad thing. So, it. So hard to find, isn't it? So the fuse is there. And obviously, if you take that out, there's a blue stop bit. Sorry about that. There's the fuse, and if you do that, you might be able to see the blue bit, that little thing there. We call that a cake. And then moving on to the rockets. Obviously, everyone calls them TNT now, so this is TNT. That's a cake. These are rockets. So yeah. What is this? It says, okay, noise level low, so they're not that loud. And that's what they look like. So pretty awesome. They go quite high. They are Sky Wizards 5-pack. Safe distance 8. Pretty much with that one. Hopefully we are getting some more fireworks. I know this doesn't look like a big collection, but we're having a display down. Our friends actually now, for shout out to them. And yeah, and a shout out to Charlie Oldham.
Right, no, guys, wait a minute. I would like to say a couple updates to the channel. I'm just going to show you what I've got so far. So I've got...
Check his channel, Charlie Oldham.
Wait, Callum.
Wait, Charlie, you can start a video, Charlie. Why don't you start? Why are you going to upload a video, Charlie?
I am planning to upload one soon. There was a fake. I've got 4 videos so far, and I've got 2 subscribers. But my channel doesn't have any content, but YouTube, please subscribe to my channel if you are interested in watches, fast cars, cars and stuff like that. Also, I'd
So,
like
guys-
to do a shout out
guys.
for my channel to Archie and Alfie. Good and
Oh, guys.
and Highway Kid 10 Gaming. Thank you, Highway.
So that's the cake, guys. And then on to the things. Believe me, these rockets are brilliant. Last year we got big blue ones and they were just fab. They were.
Yeah, this vid, I like to tell them I like the special guest on the video. So basically, I like the celebrity or special guest on the video. These fireworks are exceptionally dangerous.
They're not.
Like literally.
They're not illegal. Luckily, we don't get.
It's illegal to buy them at a young age.
Yep.
And
Under
especially
18.
if you're like 18, you sell. It is also illegal to like sell them to young.
Oh, by the
children.
way, guys, just saying. Obviously, you have to keep eating right. Don't touch that because I'll say explode and might go bang.
Yeah.
So yeah, doesn't look like a good collection, but it will gradually get bigger in the future.
So basically,
We are planning to get at least more rockets and maybe one more cake. Guys.
and also YouTube, help my brother get to 30 subscribers. Help both them.
Yeah,
we need
that'll
big help
be-
on all of our YouTube channels. I've just recently started. I've got them.
You
I
need
don't
to
know
subscribe
you
to me. But anyway, guys, thanks for amazing views and thanks. Just saying, I am really grateful for 12 subscribers. It might not sound like much, but I am pretty grateful. So.
And now
And I
is
don't
the
really need it.
Beth Lounge show with me.
No, you're just taking over the video now, Charlie. So I don't know.
So basically,
Shut it.
the-
So, as in, guys, these rockets are good. It's a small collection, but it will gradually get bigger by the weekend, so fingers crossed. We might get one more cake out of it. So that's the TNT, and obviously we call it a cake. And usually they don't have the TNT, and these things are done by TNT, so these aren't there. Yeah, they're loud. That is just exceptionally
bloody
loud.
hell! It's got 13 shots. In the words of CharlieOldham@gmail.com. Got 13 shots, guys. These are extremely dangerous. You need to be. I say
Yeah,
this.
8 meters.
It says here like for
I love
outdoor use
fireworks.
only and stuff like that. On the side, this is the fuse. You've got an orange thing saying that. Pull that, and there will be a huge explosion.
No, you have to light it.
But first, you will need to light that bit.
Bum.
And plus, it's extremely dangerous. Really dangerous, guys.
So, yeah, we buy fireworks for the sake of...
Don't worry, guys. My new video will be uploaded
Mum,
tonight.
can we get one more cake? Like that. That was £20. Just ignore that, guys, alright?
So, it says here, warning. Can I get my face in it?
No.
It says warning, fire or projection. What does it say?
Stop. Luke, stop moving it. It's my
Anyway,
video.
guys, I just wanted to say bye. Help my channel out. I'll be uploading at least
Look,
another 2 or 3
there's
videos.
important
Thank you
stuff,
for
and obviously,
subscribing to my channel.
warning,
Goodbye.
fire or projection hazard. Keep away from heat, sparks, open flames, hot surfaces, no smoking. In case of fire, evacuate area. Tell no point is the telephone number is 01722716900, and then you got the scan code is 036 331 006812 2017 17 negative 1. What the hell, guys? I don't know what that means when it says negative 17 negative. This is the massive attack, and the noise level is medium, which is pretty loud. So we might get one more. Fingers crossed. We're having a big display down our friends Archie and Alfie. Check their. Well, they didn't have any videos up, but just subscribe to their accounts. So, they have got 2 cakes and a box down there ready. They got 2 cakes and a box. Yeah. Well, like this.
But not like
Yeah.
actual cakes. But don't like.
That's what people call them.
That's what like people call rain cars, literally. I'm not joking.
Charlie, stop taking over the video.
It's just a different meaning anyway. Nothing much.
Yeah, I will have to end the video in a minute. Just, if you want to buy these, Sainsbury's, well no, as the Lidl's or Sainsbury's, Sainsbury's doesn't do fireworks. Yeah, but theirs are not as good. Check these out. These are brilliant fireworks. Goodbye, yee!
And also...
Yay!
And also...